Kyla.
Hey.
Who's that Pokemon?
Me too. Where's your Osmo?
I'm just using my phone because I'm too lazy to pull it out.
Okay.
Yeah, but all right, that's cool. All right, so anyways, guys, I am vlogging right now. She has her we probably won't be able to exchange the footage because it will be so large. But I'm gonna just put my camera here, and let me get the third people. Of the camera set up right here. So we got two DJI Osmo pockets and my friend Kyra over here. That's hers. The one is mine with the Nintendo keychain. She's recording on her her iPhone as well. And yeah, we're getting some coffee. I don't even know if it's picking up on the mic.
I know.
I gotta do the mic. All right, guys, so I just connected the mic, but anyways, I don't know if I'll do a voiceover, but me and my friend Kyle over here, I actually slid in her LinkedIn DMs when I wasn't making content at the time because I saw one of her videos pop off, and I was like, oh, like this is a pretty accessible creator, right? I will put you on some real game. If you want to reach out to a creator, like has a large following in like a certain platform, but then doesn't have a large following on another platform, I mean, comparatively, right? Like LinkedIn to your YouTube, I think you had a smaller connection following. So I was like, and it goes for like most people, most creators for the most part, unless they're a LinkedIn influencer. But my recommendation, if you are trying to create with a creator, try to find them and not in like a stocky way. Well, it is kind of a stocky way, but honestly, nowadays anyone is searchable. So just type in the keywords in Google search. So yeah, I would recommend you like try to like meet with someone that is on a smaller platform that they probably check less often. If they check it less often, they probably have less like people in their DMs, and so you're actually more noticed in those platforms where they have a smaller following. So it's easier for them to reply to you. So that's how I met her, and then now we're getting coffee because I told her she should go to VidCon, but then she wasn't able to. So now we're linking up here. So
because he
yeah,
has great networking skills. That's why. Okay.
meant for this.
Yeah, dude. Thank you. Cheers.
Life of a content creator, guys. Got two DJI Osmo Pockets. DJI sponsor me. You know, Instagram, Tumblr right here. I gave my homie here, Kyla, a YouTube, Tumblr, so make sure you follow her channel as well. And obviously, I don't know if you're active on TikTok, but hopefully you'll get on that short form grind, get on this TikTok grind, and get your hydro flask. So appreciate you. Hey, my first creator friend, for real, for real. Like literally, I slid in her DMs on LinkedIn. LinkedIn sleeping. You're sleeping on LinkedIn, my guys. All right, so make sure you follow her. Her @ is on this Tumblr here. This is the place. I'll put the coffee spot, but the egg coffee was pretty bomb. I recommend. And then Cafe Soda, of course. Phin coffee is what you said? All right, sounds good, sounds good. All right, guys, so make sure to tap into her YouTube. I'll drop the link tree in below or the beacons.ai, and I'll see y'all later. All right, so I'm peacing out. Kyla, good meeting you. First creator friend I ever made, so I wanted to like, you know, repay the favor, give him some swag.
All great swag.
Yes.
Follow him.
Yes, and follow her too.
On your channel.
Follow her too.
Yeah, great guy.
Yeah. What else do you want to say last for the vlog?
You know, just enjoy life.
Period.
Yeah, enjoy life. But yeah, great guy. If you're a subscriber, you got forever life advice right here. Okay.
Social proof.
Yeah.
Social
Networking.
Proof. I paid her $5 to say that.
Yeah. YouTube, man. It's business. All business.
Yes, ma'am.
If you ain't talking money, I don't want to talk. I'll call you back.
Yes, ma'am. It's all fake. It's all fake. We're all just trying to climb the social ladder, okay? All right, guys. So if you want to link up with us next year we will be at VidCon 2025. Right, Kyla?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yep.
I'm already buying my tickets.
Buy your ticket. Use my affiliate link. Use her affiliate link if you want. But yeah, we'll see you guys at VidCon 2025. Super excited.
Affiliate links?
I'm just joking.
Oh, I was like,
but if y'all want to give me an affiliate link, yeah, if you want to give me an affiliate link, like let me know.
I'm gonna use yours.
Yes.
If anything.
All right, peace out, Kyla.
Bye.
Adios.
A few moments later.
What is up, guys? It's one of our last days in LA but we are currently at the Getty Museum, I believe. Yeah, it's called the Getty Museum. So it's actually not the Getty Villa, guys. I thought it was like the same thing, but the Getty is actually separated into two different buildings. There's the Getty Villa, which is more like Roman art, and then the Getty Museum, which is more like European art. I've never been to the Getty Museum, so it's my first time, but I got it mixed up. So I didn't know we had to take a tram here. I remember the parking being a little different, but I actually went to the Villa last time, so this is my first time at the museum. Guys, this is the scene right here. See that? Pretty hot day out in LA. Glad I'm wearing sunscreen. But yeah, so we'll probably just keep it a little chill today. Get some food, chill, explore LA, and then do the museum stuff. But anything you want to add?
Not really much, but I'm excited to see this art.
Facts. But you are the art.
I appreciate it.
All right, guys. So yeah, come along with me to the Getty, guys. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm pretty tired from vlogging and just VidCon in general. But hey, content is content. But I'm just trying to be more intentional with the content, and honestly, I'm like recording myself on my phone and everything, so it's a little bit easier because I have to pull out the Osmo every time, and that just requires a little bit more work than if I just pulled out my phone. So I might honestly upgrade my phone because I'm starting to record and vlog on my phone more often than the Pocket now. It's a hot day, wear some sunscreen, but the weather is gorgeous out in LA today. So yeah. I'll see you guys later. Peace. What's up, guys? We just finished up at the Getty Museum, and now we are headed to the Getty Villa. So one thing I actually didn't know is that if you are going to the Getty Museum and you pay for parking at the Getty Museum, you can that parking actually transfers to the Getty Villa. So if you do both, then you actually save double on the cost of the parking, right? Because the Getty Villa parking is $25, and then the Getty Museum parking is $25 separately. But if you do the package together, you only pay for parking once. So that's a life hack for you guys. Yeah, I personally think the Getty Villa is better. It's just more architecture, it's more Romanized, a lot more statues and stuff. And the weather is a little bit nicer too, because you have the clouds and you're up in the mountain kind of. Yeah, what do you think, Paul?
I'll say that this place is more superior than the other place, to be honest.
Yeah,
And
the Getty
it's more
Villa is
nicer.
better, and it's nicer. It's more aesthetic, in my opinion. You can get more Insta pictures here, to be honest. Although the gardens are nice at the Getty Museum, but yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and explore this Getty Villa, but definitely put the Getty Villa or the Getty on your Los Angeles bucket list, I guess. So highly recommend the Getty, especially if you are gonna go on a date. I unfortunately am not on a date. Well, I guess it is kind of a date, but
It's bros, man.
that's true. That's true. We're gonna go ahead and explore, get some B-roll. See y'all later. Peace. What's up, guys? So we are currently at the Getty private villa, guys, and we actually rented out this whole villa to ourselves, okay, guys? Because I wanted to give y'all the private tour experience of the Getty Villa. And as you can see, if you look at the Roman architecture right here, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's actually from Roman times, and you can actually also refer to those times as Times New Roman. Get it? And if you didn't get that joke, it's actually a font joke if you know your typography. But anyways, guys, we rented out the whole private villa to ourselves, guys, because you know how it be when you're an influencer. You just do that kind of thing just for the clout, you know what I'm saying? So we are out here right now, and as you can see, if my videographer will kindly just go ahead and pan the camera to the back of the villa right here, give y'all a walking private tour. You can actually see all these influencers that I've invited to my event. So let me know if you want to come to my next event. It'll be a private invite only event. All you need to do is make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow my Instagram, comment down below, private invite influencer, put me on clout 20. All right, guys, 24 actually, because my other code has expired. All right, guys, so this is the backyard of the private villa. As you can see, there's a lot of water, the architecture is great, and then you can also see the greenery of the garden as well. It's absolutely gorgeous, so I would highly recommend. All right, bruh. So now we are at Getty private backyard of my house here. And as you can see, it's all made from concrete stone imported from the Coliseum itself, guys. Though you already know, like, I had to spend a little bit of extra cash to, you know, get this imported to my place here. But honestly, feels very premium and I just love it. I love it. This is like one of my favorite spots of the whole house, in my opinion. I really just feel more European centric after this. So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in to the Getty Villa tour. Make sure you come through and let me know if you'd like a private invite. All you need to do is just DM me, and if I think you're cool enough, you'll get the private invite. All right, guys. Peace. All right, guys, so we just finished up with the private influencer event out here at the Getty Villa. Gonna let my property manager handle all this right now, get all the people situated, but we're gonna go ahead and leave to our next destination, so stay tuned, guys. Shout out to my videographer right here for recording the whole entire thing. Yeah, man, appreciate you. I'm gonna give you a nice little bonus, all right? Nice little bonus. All right, guys, so see y'all later. Peace. What's up, guys? So we are currently at El Matador State Beach out in Malibu, California, which is about a 40-minute drive out from LA. And unfortunately, we didn't come at a good day because, as you can tell, it's very gloomy. It's a little high tide. There are some blue skies in the back, but ultimately, it's just not a good day to come. It's a bit chilly, honestly. What I like is that people are still outside, still, you know, going to the beach, still swimming, even though there's high tide. And the outdoor scenery or the outdoor nature is actually really great and beautiful. It would just be way better if it was on a completely clear day, which is pretty unfortunate, but kind of is what it is. I still do have another day tomorrow in California, so hopefully I'll be able to go to another beach. Another thing that I don't really like about California, or at least in this state park, is that I'm not allowed to fly my drone, so I can't get any drone shots of the cool California landscape with the state beach. Yeah, it's like apparently banned to fly drones in certain areas of LA because there's very heavy fly space and it's really occupied by a lot of airplanes and stuff. So unfortunately, you can't fly drones in state parks, which, I mean, I guess is understandable, but there's more lax drone laws in Texas, just saying. Hopefully y'all come out to El Matador State Beach sometime. I think it's a great place, especially when it's really nice weather. Like last time I was here in February in 2022, completely clear, no problems. It wasn't high tide at the time and was just able to walk on the beach with the nice landscape and everything. Hopefully I'll try to see if in my archives I have a video that I can post right here in post-production. But yeah, I don't really have much to share for today because unfortunately the weather isn't very good. So you'll just have to take my word for it. Hopefully whenever you visit Malibu in LA, make sure you check out El Matador State Beach. Highly recommend. I'm just not on the good weather. But you know, from the B-roll, I actually thought that it would be like very clear weather because on the way here it was clear from LA, but then it just gradually got more cloudy and cloudy, which kind of sucks. But you know, it is what it is. But hopefully I'll come out here sometime. All right, peace. What's up, guys? I have not eaten all day. Like literally I just had coffee with Kyla and that's pretty much it. Oh wow, damn. Yeah, so we just ordered some SHABU. Yeah, so and I've been driving the whole day, literally, but we ended up finding this place called BWON or BWON, and they have all you can eat sushi, SHABU, and KBBQ. And I usually don't go to these kinds of places because there's a lot of variety that I don't really like. Honestly, I'm just so famished and hungry that I'm just like, I don't really care, bro. But this place had pretty good reviews. It was like 4.5 stars on Yelp. So, I mean, Paul, what do you think? Paul just said he's hungry. So, I mean, honestly, I'm just hungry too. So we got some fish cake, got some potato and sushi. I mean, honestly, I'm just documenting this because I just don't know I ate here. I don't think I'm trying to do a full food review, but all you can eat SHABU, Korean barbecue, sushi for $40. If the quality is up there, honestly, even if the quality isn't there, I don't really mind. All right, guys. I don't think I'm gonna like do a full food review or anything like that. I'm just so hungry, but the place is pretty good for the hot items. Pretty good.
A few moments later.
This raises my strength by the same number of points you just lost, giving me a grand total of 10,500 life points.
All right, guys, so we are officially done with the food out here at BWON, I believe in Fullerton, California, in OC. Honestly, I usually don't even go to like KBBQ, hot pot, and sushi fusion restaurants because I don't expect them to be good. I am pretty confident that BWON is the only one that I've experienced ever, and maybe it's an LA thing or OC thing, that does it well. The Korean barbecue was on point. Like, we only got like the same 4 things over and over again because it was that good. And the SHABU was pretty good as well. But we were just like, I need to go all in on the Korean barbecue, but we honestly did damage on both. I mean, if you look at the hot pot broth, we like destroyed like half of it, which is a lot for a big pot like that. Didn't really touch the vegetables, to be honest. It was about, I want to say like 38 per person. That's like for the maximum menu. Hey, yo, Paul, give me that menu, Paul. Like on this menu right here, you guys should get the prime rib Angus top sirloin, the seasoned beef sirloin, the prime beef brisket, the LA marinated short rib / galbi, the premium beef belly, and the beef tongue. And obviously you can tell that my personality has gone basically 0 to 100, and I think it's because I've been like eating a lot, and so I feel more energized. Today was one of the few times where I have just been exhausted from not eating. I think I've just been too busy and fasting, or maybe it's because I eat like 1 large meal a day and then I just don't feel like eating, which I don't think is the healthiest. It's basically 1 meal a day, but I mean, you can kind of tell how the food energizes you, because I remember when I recorded myself for the first time, I was completely just gassed and washed. But the second time here, after eating, I feel like completely like re-energized. I feel like I can run almost a mile, but probably like a 30-minute mile, because I don't run miles like that. And I'm not the healthiest, okay? But I wouldn't say I'm like obese or nothing, you know? Yeah, overall, hot pot was bomb. The KBBQ was bomb. Paul, what'd you think of the restaurant, and what are your thoughts on the hot pot versus Korean barbecue and how they had a whole like sushi bar?
Well, to be honest, if you ever been in Houston, right, or lived in Houston, and you tried K-pop before, the taste and difference between Cali is very different, right? And you could tell that over here in Cali, this is the first time that I discovered this place that tastes super well. All I can say is like, if you're in Cali, try out this place, and you can see the difference between, you know, Houston food compared to Cali food.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Honestly, I said this, guys, I don't typically go to like the fusion places, especially with all you can eat, because they never, even like the all you can eat Korean barbecue, like they don't even master that, right? So imagine like doing the all you can eat SHABU with the Korean pot or KBBQ with sushi. Like, how do you expect it to be good? But it was honestly really good. I don't have any regrets, and I mean that. And I know I was like famished and everything, but the quality was on point, guys. The quality was on point. My bad, guys. That, you know, okay, there's no way I'm faking that review, because that burp obviously would not have came had I not been eating. All right, guys. They also gave me like a macaroon ice cream that I didn't like record because I was just I was pretty full, dude. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat breakfast tomorrow, but anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this review. I'm essentially yapping at this point, which, I mean, maybe y'all come here for that kind of yapping content. But yeah, guys, BWON out in Fullerton, OC area. Let me know if you ever want to do a collab video. I put this review with no sponsorship whatsoever. I just came in and it was bomb. But let me know if you want to collab and, you know, give me a free meal sometime or fly me out. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. Yeah, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Actually, I'll probably talk to y'all tomorrow, because I just don't want to vlog anymore, but I'm done for the day. So I'll see y'all the next day probably. Peace.